How to change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll guide you on how you can change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So I'll go ahead and change my username right in front of you. And again, I'll show you by changing it right in front of you again. So basically, you can see my current username. I'll tap on edit profile. You can see my username and it'll say me if I change it right now, I'll not be able to change it for the next 30 days because I can only change once every month. So I'll just go ahead and change the username I want to change to, and then I'll just tap on the save button from the top right. So basically I'll just select set username button. So you can see I have changed my username. But what if I want to change my username? If I try to change it, it'll say me that you have to simply wait till 30 days. So you can see it says you can only change the username once every 30 days since you just changed it. So how do we go ahead and change it? Well, it's very simple. Just close it over here. Now go ahead and then open settings on your phone. Once you open settings, then go to general. Then once you go to general, go to the option called date and time. Turn off automatic date and time and set the date to at least 1 month further from today. So since today is 16th of February, I'll just select 17th of March, right? So it is at least 30 days further, or maybe 18th or even 19th. Then just tap on done. Now once we change our date, we're going to basically come back. Then I'm going to open up TikTok again. Then once I open TikTok, now I'm going to come to the profile page. I'm going to tap on edit profile. Then I'll tap on username. And now you can see I can simply enter the new username that I want to add. And then I can just tap on the save option from the top right. And this is basically it on how you can change a username without waiting for 30 days on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.